Hello there, welcome today in the daily newspaper on, yes, it's Thursday, October the 1st, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku here, and this medium Sudoku will be a number 1660. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. The 1 star has 27, the 4 stars 24. Let me count the printed digits. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 3 is 10. We have here 5, 15, 16, 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 2 is 24, plus 2 is equal to 26. So if you compare, it's a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I use? 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in the first column, we have an 8 in one of these 2 boxes. In the third column, we have an 8 over there. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. So we have an 8 here or there. Made a mistake. Let me see. Yeah, here. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I know these 2 boxes are reserved for the 8. One of these 2. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. So we are missing 2 8s in this Sudoku. Alright, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 and I've eliminated the 8, so I will continue in a minute. In a few seconds I will continue with the 8, but let me finish with the 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1. I've eliminated the 8, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And then 1, 2, 5. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in the first column in one of these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2. 4 and 2. 4 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. These 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark them. It's a pair. These 2 numbers in the second column are reserved for the numbers 2 and 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the first row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark them. It's a pair. It's a pair. Another pair here in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark them. 1 and 2. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. 4 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and a 7. No. 4, 4, 4, 4. How about 7. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 9 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Then 4, 5. 1. Here should be a 1 here. Alright. Let me see. 1, 4. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the last row. 149. 149. I see here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So one of these 2 boxes is a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 4, here or there. 149, 149. No, 9. No. Need to wait. 7 and a 4. 6 we have, 8 we have, 2, 5. 5 should be 9. 9. All right. 4, 5. 1, 2. 7. 1, 2, 3. 7 is missing. 5 is missing. Yeah, this row. The missing numbers here, the 3 missing numbers, 7, 5, and the 9. 7, 5, and the 9. We see a 7 and a 5. So no 7 and a 5 in this box. 1 box left. 1 digit left should be the 9. 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 1 digit left in the last row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 7 and the 5. Let me mark them, 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. Here also 7 and the 5, 7, 5 and the 4. These 3 missing numbers, 7, 5 and a 4. And look, 7 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 4. The 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. So 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 digit left should be the 5 in this big square. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. 1 digit left in this column for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. 2 digits left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, let me mark them, 1 and 4. 1 digit left in this column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. 1 digit left in this row for the number 7, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 9 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Yes, finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you later with with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.